Hello, today I would like to do a tool review on my DEWALT job site Bluetooth speaker. Item number 658555, model number DCR006. This Bluetooth speaker runs off a DEWALT 12V/20 volt max battery packs or the DC 12 volt cable. Rubber overmilled trim and feet, compact size for improved portability and storage. The DEWALT speaker is easy. It's got a one button push start. As soon as I hooked it up the first time, never had to hook my phone up to it again. On the side it has the USB port and auxiliary cord. You got your speakers, two speakers, pause and play buttons, Bluetooth volume, a nice Bluetooth light for power. Your sides, very good rubber. I dropped it a couple times, never had an issue, and the battery back support. Bottom has your model number and information. Now let's hear this thing play.
Will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all.
It gets really loud. That wasn't even the loudest. It's well built, great product. Definitely should get one. Thanks to DEWALT. I paid about $80 for it. Totally worth it. Please go out and get one yourself. This is the DEWALT Bluetooth speaker. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.